Hi there, Micah here with Barber and Haskill, and as you can see, we're standing in our laundry room, and I'm standing here in front of an Electrolux front load laundry pair. Now, I've been in Barber and Haskill for almost 6 years, and this set has been top of consumer reports, top of reviews, and probably been one of our best-selling sets. A lot of times when you're talking laundry, there's not as much to talk about in the dryer as there is in the washer, but this dryer right here is a big 8 cubic feet, which allows for more space to breathe and dry more efficiently, as well is a stainless steel tub that allows to heat up and help drying as well. Now, the dryer has steam, the washer has steam in it. The washer has a great feature called stain soak that when it's on and you pick a cycle, any cycle, if I go to options and select stain soak, pops up any state blood and chocolate. Blood and chocolate being two different ends of the spectrum, hot and cold water, but basically you can tell it what you're putting in it and it'll work through it. Another great feature this machine has is when it does a rinse cycle, the rinse comes directly into the wash without going back through the soap dispenser. So this is a great set, comes in great gray and white, and if you're looking for a great laundry pair, come in and see us and we can help you out today.